What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Skullcandy Jib Plus. Some of you guys know we have reviewed the Skullcandy buds in past, and it's really awesome to review these kind of products. And Skullcandy has been my daily drive, and it's really dope, to be honest. I've never lasted for quite long with the bud. I've usually changed each like 6 months, 5 months, but I've stayed for quite long for Skullcandy product. Not because it's just a Skullcandy product, but it's because of its own kind of self. It's just really cool. I've stayed with the JBL Tune 125BT. As some of you guys, if you didn't check out that video, or you can click this card here up, you can check it out. But the Skullcandy 125BT, it just have its own kind of place, but I decided to go fully with Skullcandy and test it out. And to be honest, my kind of review on it, or my kind of expectation throughout getting it, it's just difference. But today we're having the Skullcandy Jib Plus. We're gonna review it and check it out and see what's packed inside. So yeah, this is our Skullcandy Jib Plus. It's a really nice product, and I decided to grab it. This kind of products, it's really coming in handy, and I kind of vibe with it. It reminds me of the JBL Tune series, like the 125BT, 115BT. It's just like there, but is it good enough to get the sound? Is it good enough just to, you know, get the vibes and stuff like that? It gives you like 6 hours of battery time, which is quite not bad. It just goes like 115BT, but 115BT is a little bit like extra, but this one I think it's just an iconic. Now let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and check out what's packed. What's so special about it? What's so special about the Jib Plus? So yeah, so this, guys, is our wireless simplicity by Skullcandy, which is called the Jib Plus. It's really looking great. I love the box. Skullcandy usually nail it throughout the box, and they just have some great enhancement throughout here. So we're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. Here we go. This is our Skullcandy Jib Plus, and as some of you guys can see, it's really gigantic when it comes to the button side. It's really great, and we're gonna remove it throughout here and disassemble everything and see what's happening, because it's really great thing. So there we go. This is our user guide, so you can check out the user guide and see what's happening, what's so good about it, what's the function, how do you use it, and stuff like that. It's really important. Another kind of stuff, you're getting a micro USB cable, which is quite not bad, but I prefer this earbud. If it could be having a type C, it's gonna be really cool. But as some of you guys know, micro USB is quite not bad still. It's a really legitimate technology, and it's really good. So yeah, some extra buds in here, which the inside, which you already know the vibe. So yeah, so guys, right now we're gonna do some testing of the music, so as we can experience what's goody about the Skullcandy Jib Plus. Yeah, we're actually inside, so we're gonna test on the music side and experience how good it is. I feel like it's inside of me, like it's just inside. It's not that much immersive, like you can feel like it's immersive, but after you play the music. what's going on, first of all, because it just caught me. It's just, I don't know. Wow. Okay. Okay. With this kind of buds, what is capturing me is the sound, man. The sound is just immersive. It's just like my push active, but it's a little bit different. Like the sound is like feeling like I'm in a room and it's like inside and it's immersive inside. I was feeling first of all, it was not immersive that much, but at the moment I'm playing the music, it's just all over the place. Let me just share with you guys on the microphone so as you can hear a bit of the sound. I know after you test it and experiencing it so as you can hear it, but these ones, they're really good. Let us just share with you guys here on the mic so as you can see or you can hear how the sound it tastes like. So as you heard guys, the sound, how much it peaks through the microphone, that's just like giving you some heads up. It's not actually, if you just listen to it, then you're gonna just experience what's so goody. Now it's about time to talk about the form factor. I kind of love it because the material is like rubber. It's just really good, and it's not like the JBL tune. It's just better than even the JBL tune in terms of material wise. It's just strong, it's rubber. I understand even the tune, it has the same feel but a little bit different. When I talk about durability, I'm talking about, you see, this, the way they made it is just more durable. And the only downside, this one does not have magnetic. Now if you want to keep it on your neck, I believe you just keep it this way stuff like that. It's quite not bad, but I wish it could be having a magnetic. It would be much precise and it would be much perfect, because this one uses only the plastic. It's just plastic, it's not magnetic at all. So don't just say these are magnetic. These are not magnetic, they're just plastic. You can just keep them on your neck this way, or you can leave them just hanging around like you already know what's going on, and it's really great thing. Another kind of stuff, it lasts for 6 hours of battery time. Just know that for 6 hours, this is the runtime about this kind of buds. It's great, it's quite not bad for 6 hours. I'm not gonna be blaming or say whoa what's happening, but it's really great thing. 6 hours, I find it is just standard greatly compared to the Tune series. I don't know why I'm comparing to that kind of lineup of JBL, because it has more juice compared to this one, but this one still, they're authentic, they're good, and they're perfect. The only downside is just 6 hours of battery time, but that's not such a big deal because 6 hours is quite not bad still. It's a good thing. So yeah, that's what's up about the Jib Plus. Let me know in the comments down below what's the most kind of favorite earbud you'd like. To be honest, I kind of vibe with this one, and a lot of you guys have asked me to review the Sony earbud, which I don't remember the model, but I revisit the comment so as I can order that kind of product and we gonna review it here at the studio. It's gonna be really cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of today. And if you have any question about this earbud, let me know in the comments down below. It's gonna be really awesome. For the people who are new, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.